Hello everyone from YouTube. My name is Luke Pyro Fireworks. This is my first time having a video on YouTube making. My shoutout is Yellow Coop Pyro Fireworks. Go subscribe to him. He's a nice guy. Got some good fireworks. So let's get started. This is Punk's. Don't use a material lighter. We got a China candle 5-ball. This is just a regular Roman candle I use up for my bottle rockets and stuff like that. First time having this bomb chicka bomb world cake, 7 shots. This is a blue tailed brocade blue stars, 7 shots. Like it, like on the cake. Like the skeleton, I guess I'll say. Tropic Thunder, 9 shots. This is the color changing. This color changing has cake, all the color of the Tropic Red Tail to yellow to red, plus white glitter red tail to blue to red, plus white glitter red tail to green red tail to white glitter from Showtime. 9 shots. First time having that. First time having this one. This is a 20 shot. Loud color changing birds. Color Me America. This is a nice cake. This is eagle, American flag. Like that. Excuse me. Last not piece is I like this one. I used this before. It's a nice cake. Red, hot, and blue, 25 shots from Showtime. Each it goes up, explodes. That's about it. This is what I have. So this is like Memorial 2020 stash. Probably gonna get more fireworks soon. Probably maybe in June. Don't know. Waiting on the fireworks to go away. But other than that, yeah, this is my stash. Hope everybody likes it. Comment, rate, subscribe to my video on my YouTube. See how I did or like it. Thumbs up. Thumbs down. Hope everybody has a good day. See you next time.